Welcome to Creativity and Problems Resolving. Today, we present Poland EV4 semi-recumbent electric assist trike. The new EV4 trike features a 250 watts brushless rear hub motor for up to 25 km per hour, 16 miles per hour, of electric assist, and a removable 36-volt Li-ion battery pack that's reported good for up to 80 km, 50 miles, per charge, depending on riding style. Stopping power is provided by hydraulic disc brakes on all three wheels. As you might expect, the semi-recumbent is longer than the original trike at 190 cm, and wider, at 90 cm, and heavier, 47 kg/103 pounds with battery, too. There are racks at the front and rear for stowing travel essentials, or just somewhere to put the shopping. Skopinski says that the front track is capable of carrying a 20 kg, 44 pounds, load with ease, though it does tilt quite a bit in the corners, so riders will have to ensure cargo is securely attached. Elsewhere, the trike has 16-inch wheels to the front and a 20-inch rear wheel, 7-speed Shimano gears and 2 pneumatic bike shocks to help smooth out rough terrain. And of course, being a three-wheeler means that a kickstand is not needed when parked up. The EV4 semi-recumbent is said to be the most comfortable ride in the EV4 family, and the company is currently taking pre-orders for a ticket price of $3,976. Thank you for watching. For more video please subscribe us and enjoy.